your full good party radio station. Akuma Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Right, Akuma 97.1. And we see any attention to Akuma Global Sports here, the bar. Now, what you say? No, you're not trying to say, and I just a good year, some near the bar. Aha, until the Tamukuchuna, first on your brenna, and some of your fengu on Famao. Ewie baby bia wo bia no mame ntia na afen so sa wo ye. Aha, wo ye papa. Ene mu amwo so manya akoso woni ade nyina. Mame ntia mo wie yi. Sa so na kopie mo voter regional omu bie show ni mo chese omu tie. Asa wati abesen Koforidua ei. Be ani ko che. Du Koforidua Lorry Station wa be samafo biemu. Ni nyina ne so kuma 97.1. Ana fenso na kuma Global Sports ya tenase. Sa so na menyanti ya se no kopie wa makola chese edem. Ani edem wa makola. Amafo monitor show no pa. Zautu na menya nkrate ene dansoma last stop so yebiemu ho. Ani dansoma last stop yebiemu. Entinmo amo dansoma ene last stop eko market wo. Open good house. Munyina na wie ma me tia mo na fenso ye na mo asese mu ti okoma 97.1. Islegun phone so etie. Mo amushemo Islegun no so no mutie show no. Onu so come Global Sports ya tena tenye fere agro. Aguri emu sama ekotwi ekobremai ane ye de bremo. Ya bani abetu adwene. Ya solutions to our football. Problems say cause we football mo ya tumi ade anu ye de aba. Na ene no asefa ya de be osoro kakrate ni ye. Ane ebi ka wana wafani sa. Ebeko Europe mom at the Champions League results na official saba. Na mom na fisa me bad ya eja na me say e ka wana wafa ne sa. Cause many abru wo fia pa. Oni say fia da ni ada ni no na watwe na Ghana Premier League na chance e. Ghana Premier League next week Friday e chance e Ghana ha. Up to now the PLB the Premier League board no. Ghana League Club Association. Sounds at the Ghana Football Association. Ministry of Youth and Sports. Up to now, Yantishi. Because Yantishi, I'm a patron saying, Neno, the Ghana Premier League, no, Sika Bang, and Asika saying, and a dosso. Headline sponsor, I am wine. And I feel so your boss, a Cora League, and maybe Saket, Edwin Simon or Kreku. Maybe I'm a banner cat, me body, I'm a saying your time. And your football in a year, the entire me buy me body. What do you say, Pawasem? Football in a year, yes, she say. Ain't in the same near your Ghana Premier League, I say. Not just a headline sponsor, crying him. Now we know, or Jay news the car, just a year mano. Ghana the art to folk, or Jay command $35,000. We are your bra. Me say headline sponsor na ya hwan ket. One maybe sanan kamin go bisa hwan. Enter me say headline sponsor na ya hwan. Sika sign na Ghana Premier League oji ayere ma ho. After preparation man, you know, I sign yere ma clubs no. Na clubs na so make FNA sam na nyesa mo so ma da o. Mo so na ya masadie se mu be bisa. The Ghana League Club Association. Goka also ya wasadia so be bisa FN FN Yakobo League ska sign na mode mai. Wonso mo ti wo bombo ma sa keke. But was them famo just mo musical mo do football man na se famo o. Sika na ya mo se stand form ti sia nchara hamo. Premier League board so wo ya body ya so ba bo na nka league na ti wa fa no to ma pefra no wonso wada. Right away Premier League board chairman friend saying what the Okroma ana mo born yes no ana mu football administrators and am Kroma na dibia mo su and so no kro no wa mo mpesa mbaka. Can't you speak the truth to cats? But we can check cat born in goye sika na odi se born ma form for sika wura na first leagues no and I say teams no enyi no mo na so right abetrans na mi bisa asem. Mese Ghana League Clubs Association and Football Administrators League ni gumu. Mutim sna bossa mu. Mutumi bisa ket. Mese sikana de league ni ko yenti fa bi ka ho. Sponsors for my. Sponsors for two league no so. Na first yengu sika ya je. Why Dina moti wana just mo de jama musika no mo pa mo mre ho. Mo mra sana mo nya skani ti fa mo. Writer, PLB chairman, your friend saying.
Mana.
PLB, Premier League board chairman, no. Urefi on.
Urefi. Urefi say. Almost same yes.
Na Kujo Fiano na Gaka chairman. Kujo Fiano. Club ya betrasi na ene ni braba. So say enko local antino. Champions League bo boss na say ye ja oni aba because many abre.
Yes. We say power no was.
Power no was because ye to me ye be ball league next week.
Yes.
Headline sponsor, headline sponsor.
Because sometimes I say I'm starting Premier League. I'm call Congress 1 week before. And then League started. About to now, you name time I call Congress.
Club ya. Headline sponsor why that league no so.
And you can almost say start times so
start times almost media you.
And the say headline sponsors no. And who has a market can you hushi bepimene. And also my assurance say and before I ever started this current season no day. Sponsorship ebe to me pima woman penny for be any bodies be akasa could do a 3 weeks ago na meeting executive member back one also edit two guys say no 70-80% done our money companies be time economy do we dimbe to go our money wo mo breaking news
breaking news but see akura na they are not being fair to the clubs. Breaking news but see say teams way and I say company way and headline sponsor adema the Ghana Premier League now they are not being fair to the clubs,
and our clubs are also not being fair to
themselves.
The supporters themselves and even Ghana football because the more I want so put in effort and making sure say nyoma be ko yenu the more na campaign for no so be dem ejuma
just Sabeka Henry
clubs no so mwa Ghana football clubs no mwa Ghana football South I say yeah clubs no and so mwa Ghana football anything na no ubehu Real Madrid no kasa ni tiri hu ubehu Barcelona na kasa ni tiri hu English Bundesliga Premiership teams akase no Liverpool no na wo mo kasa say no at the end of the year no yeah na yeah matches no wo mo ye den wo mo show no do pa enei ubekomu na media to say ne yanka Star Times o we na nka yengenya TV3 bi yengenya other GTV bi na otwa Ghana Premiership no a wo mo so discover room ene ukọ Premiership no ma wo mo acheche matches no atonton right ni bi e dia ma other TV telecast a woman so ebua edisika na yen sika ketwa na BT Sports no mu Sky Sports yi na mu enya asem ketwa nti is not about say obenya headline no ba akope konkronkura dia besiwo. These are some of the things and I say bodies a woman so buama and other leagues na ye hwe no eno so etumi e den improve nti ye behia yen clubs no more sa nyoma we nyina besi a sometimes me de so money kese memma mo beye over 50% e de be share clubs wo mo ewo Ghana especially Kotoko and Accra House of Folk wo mo modernbo enso ni wo mo modernbo enbua Ghana football wo mo mbua ma Ghana football enso enkonkan wo mo mbua ama ne yempanifo no enso entumi mfa wo mo nan so eden ensi form enye dia ese ne dia efata e wo mu nti clubs no wo mo so ne no wo mo kan ana Ghana football no yenso bra ye bre nyina no wo mo kan papa yi wo
eke ye be kwa ba na ye de safa na hyehyɛ so entino ye be ba na fe Henry Asante Chum wa ekrado entino Charlie many abre akasa
say college awodo na
college because
it's a me favorite group Chelsea and fe so Kaila
and Hasofok yes Hasofok kwanga Hasofok and I say uchere no because opariye utumi bisa ni yie kwanga Hasofok and nam so minim ni enti Hasofok ejina Ghana nyina na mu na mere ka achire ewo of America achire right I say no
ma me chade
kwanga Hasofok na mu ha
yemkomra
ye
no pa be din komo
ye be react
ye be ko group Chelsea so akachi na ya kokaela so akachi na bisa say sika sam no mo headlines for am by mu ana mo bo
Champions League a wo boy am no na ye ngani eje he enu bia na Hasofok nso ebo wo ba the Shores of Africa enu bia na wo mo bo no but ye hu hwe
entino Kobia ye be ba na face am this time komo na entino ene ni braba ofia bare we mami che ora Kofi Anson ba for ono ene ye executive producer extraordinaire ashisha juma ni nyina kama Samson and Nana Kwame Perry the finest me ame papa no ewie nso no boy juma afen so DJ Tony DJ Ziggy Omunya make sure say ombe chinchi fidie na face on social media na twegu. Facebook live ye twegu. Uko Facebook Yokuma Radio 97.1. Yokuma Radio 97.1 Facebook. Sounds on YouTube Yokuma Radio 97.1. Uko YouTube so on your subscribe to page na face on niama nkwaso kama. Uko Instagram so Yokuma 971. Yokuma 971 Instagram. Afin so WhatsApp 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. And then WhatsApp and afin so SMS on the buy back in kind amount. Me had a sports Nana Okori Achiman. Nana Okori Achiman so no boy Chidom Mama Yadin 7 bar. Supported by Jeff Fekufu Boateng. Jeff for heavy papa. Omunya boy my show no sweat to make to try. Okuma Global Sports on Okuma 97.1. And yes to the Mamicha has 4 spots. Has 4 spots and food joints. Has 4 spots and food joints. I'm a beer Jumadi money so much show no kesiye. And was 4 spots and food joints. Eh kwesiya kwa one na ti. Any ejemo kwesi mu mutie show no life and so that was 4 spots and food joints. Daniel and our friends Eduko Jomu nyina so mu shemu was 4. Mo monitor show no. Big ups to you guys. More fire and come mamo. Sabrina do nyina so mo nya Brina friends no come 97.1 muti. Sounds na Agorogo o heti o musu wa biem auti. Agorogo we heavy papa. Musu no ni heti o workers ni nyina wie me chiamo. Muti o come 97.1. Samson and a bongo. Yes, bongo situation. No. Bongo heavy. I mean, bongo heavy. Samson and the Cassian and confirm and Nana Safari of Forino Enterprise. See you at the Forino Enterprise and our friends on Accra Life. Nana Safari heavy, I mean, we are heavy and coupon shira papa. Nana Safari of Forino Enterprise and our friends on Accra Life. Na ewie me amiti adwam no me din ane Nana Kwame Amposedi also no bet me aframe AK. Yes, the simple man AK Krobia Atena no body na AK na just my heavy ewie so no Krobia Asante Ofia sounds to the name of the writer commentator so Atena say the boy Atena say the version of face yet to edin come Ofia. Never mono yeko na offense na manane sem no so entimi embra.
Some nights I stay up cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
That's all right. In Tiania Kona Fensoro, Yentimi Farmer and Semino, and so Enfant Tuja, and so Enfant Maurim Senrata, like I say, UEFA Champions League night. And I know it will to Jana and Yasim Kuma, Yashin results and Rata, and also to Chaguya, our Champions League no, now first year machine and matches no, near Piasso and Koyamudia, and no Copiamus and our Takidia, like I said, Besiktas Antina Fie, and my name Sports Lisbon, and Quacheno Boy, and Kanama Komi and Sa, and as a Makuma 9, and ama ne Besiktas nso no etumi atimu baako saa nso na Club Brugge atena fie ma Manchester City enso kɔbɔ ne kan makoma enuma ano nso ne atimu baako Riyad Mahrez about 2 goals saa nso na Jan Cancelo Walker ala face na Brentford ni de Palmer enso ne timu de baako episo de ma Manchester City team no saa nso na Ajax Amsterdam nso no etumi atena fie chi Borussia Dortmund ɛbɔ ne kan makoma enaya ne Dortmund nso no etumi ante Brentford ni de Dele Blender Bogo Anthony ana face na Sebastian Haller etumi de goal baako ɛne piso na ne pressure no na no ɔden grobia pressure na no ɔden de Dortmund etina Brentford ni de Marco Reus nso no etumi de on goal nso no etumi de to na tenema de ma sera nko amfama Dortmund na no adana kama foka gogo ni adiadia na so na ntima fa ama Borussia Dortmund na sa game no mo but big game no so no ani FC Porto etina Portugal etene na Association Castle de Milan AC Milan so no ebone ka no baako a ani AC Milan so entimi ante so na Inter Milan etina fie wo Giuseppe Meazza San Siro eso na tumi che ye Sheriff Transport ebone ka no miensa ama Sheriff so no etumi atimu baako Brentford ni de Edin Dzeko ebogo Sancho ne Sebastian de Vrij ade baako kan Arturo Erasmus Vidal enso na bogo de baako etumi ade ma ye Inter Milan bogo na amoto victory no etumi ko ade ma mo Shakhtar Donetsk enso na etumi atrafie ama Real Madrid ebe bone kan makoma enum Shakhtar Donetsk enso no etumi ante Brentford ni de Vinicius Junior etumi bogo so ne mienu Sancho na Karim Mustafa Benzema ebogo Rodrigo Guez enso de baako gaun afenso no go so no Brentford ni de Christophe so ade ongo baako ade to na trem na afenso no Paris Saint-Germain PSG so no etimi tena fie etibo ko ne dey ade RB Leipzig enso bone kan makoma ensa ama Leipzig so no etimi etimu mienu Brentford ni de Kylian Mbappé lo tena bogo Sanso na Lionel André Messi ko teteni enso de go so ni mienu etimi peso ma PSG tena amoto victory so no etimi ko Edema na big game no etimi to Joao Spain dia na just a Wanda Metropolitano no Atletico de Madrid ATM enso no etimi tena fie echeye anato mo tena fie ani Liverpool etumi de boni na game ni ko na wie no na Liverpool so fi England abaye nkonya omo beti Atletico Madrid nso abane kanu miensa ama Atletico Madrid nso etumi atimu mienu Brentford de Antoine Griezmann abo go tini mienu edema ATM team no na so antenta Mohamed Salah abo go tini mienu ana afenso na Biketa ade ba kwa piso ade ma Liverpool sa game no so no etumi ko wie ya eno so na nyasem kuma ne ko na afenso no yehwe ena results na na Manchester ena so betuma toja Champions League no na afenso yemfa toja emfa ma dia ena 4:45 p.m. Ghana time no uko pm Estadio de Camp Nou dia FC Barcelona eso etra final afenso no on Dynamo Kiev eso etima ball Sanson at 4:45 krona no and Salzburg eso na Wolfsburg ebe ball Benfica 7 p.m. and Bayern Munich so eba and ya big class Sanson at Chelsea etra fie no Stamford Bridge no sorry Mamo FF also etima ball Lille Metropole and Sevilla 7 p.m. Manchester United and Atlanta and also Basso and 7 p.m. Ghana time Young Boys and Villarreal Airport and also Basso 7 p.m. Afensoro Zenit St. Petersburg and to etina fie etima tonesa and afraid the all ladies of Italian soccer no almost etima dia boy here and Juventus na no so Basso and 7 p.m. Ghana time yes to etima dia to ye tiefu enim na nkona fense confirm reactions no enfambre hunim se no da na just enye fe dia cross out say eno da pe ni ko che enso na Wanda Metropolitano abra Atletico Madrid enso na fense no Liverpool ebono game no na just no dia na after the match no coach Edema Liverpool Jurgen Klopp enso etumi kasaya ono nso no echem se niama eba no ano said the club ya ye na fo niama tutum na afenso ne atwa na coach ani din ani Jurgen Klopp enso etumi kasaya yentie sama obiwa JK Jurgen Klopp enso ready to after the game against Atletico Madrid.
When he whistles it, I was a bit surprised that they took it back because I only saw it once and I didn't think it was a penalty. It was clear what they wanted in that moment. And the red card, of course it's unlucky, but I think it's a red card. You cannot change that. The foot is in the face. That's what you get red cards for. So that's not cool, but it happened, and that's the story of the game pretty much. We still had to defend with all we have because even with 10 men they were quite intense to play. But the dirty 3 points are very often the most important, and they were dirty tonight. Of course, it was not our best football, but we got them, and that's a big.
Winning some more Biba Jenki, Georgian club on a manager, and so I Liverpool team, no, and so I do draft a victory, no, and so to me, I come out, Georgian club in the Rant here, and Wanda Metropolitana, Papa, no, so to me, in a drink chair, and so if I give no home, and so to me, the Albania, every Spain, near Copiema of France, they are Park the Princess, now Paris Saint-Germain, and our face on our beliefs, and the boy in before the game, no, like I say, very, very emotional. Ronaldinho Gaucho, Ronaldinho, soup to me, PMO, our Park the Princess. And I say Paris Saint-Germain team no and so no and then we pay man just say almost na niam so na team across internet no who join here live on Facebook ube hu brand na Ronaldinho ebe pay mo ya France na face no PSG game no ebe shisha so na ni auto inside from Messi no first Messi uye minua wona metete on kakra kra Barcelona internet we pay mo Paris Saint-Germain dia brand na be ya matu krobia na just say very very emotional and so onu say Ronaldinho wetima bobo ni bija e dia ma Paris Saint-Germain team no internet Messi so na Ronaldinho onye akonya akosia Messi no ni di nkomo na je say areho ba na brante ni ye Messi atu areho itene ko Facebook sisi na Facebook ko share abra Ronaldinho esere piemo awo ya Paris Saint-Germain na je so no hagi Messi na Facebook ni ama so na ko so no na je say nyasim kuma kura enso sa match ni ma yenso ni etumi ade etu ye tiefu ni ma enso na nye fidi akọ na ye no o che Messi phone ye da won ma na say papa enso na nyasim kuma na Facebook ye fi na Facebook ye mehwe ne o no say Villarreal so ejina kono ono so any young boys ana airport na coach and my Villarreal the Unai Emery Villarreal coach no Villarreal the coach and Unai Emery me friend ababo so ati ase papa no so tuma kasa e dey fa match no ono so yentie nsema ne Unai Emery Villarreal coach and so no edi tuja.
Vamos a salir a jugar con la idea de imponer nuestra idea, nuestro estilo, dar nuestra mejor versión individual colectiva. La confianza que teníamos adquirida, que con el último partido quizás ciertas cosas se han quedado en el camino como parte de duda, volver a restablecerlas. También en el plano individual, pues encontrar un mayor rendimiento en algunas situaciones de juego de lo que dimos el domingo. Todo eso está puesto en escena. Además de que esta competición de 6 partidos es corta y vamos a llegar al Ecuador, y en el Ecuador tenemos que tener algo más que un punto, porque con eso no llegamos.
Winning someone named Unai Emery on your manager Edema the Yellow Submarine Villarreal and so to me to ja yes to me chechemu and so to me area man and you go PMO Barcelona on the send 445 and so PMO started the Camp Nou at the Tempo Barcelona and the Dynamo Kiev and so Ronald Koeman and so manager Edema Barcelona Koeman game no be saying.
Hoy en día Dinamo de Kiev es un mejor equipo que lo del año pasado. Y claramente sabemos que nos pueden esperar, y sí es verdad, porque mañana jugamos nuestro futuro en ese Champions League, porque de perder 2 partidos nos toca ganar y no hay otra cosa.
And then some Ronald Koeman on your manager and so that my Barcelona team no and also no etimi area to ja and you feel you gonna Chelsea muntieni muntumu jakono 7 p.m. Ghana time monso ne bobo kwani din and so yes Chelsea and you feel you go Mamo FF from Sweden and also you feel you gonna Thomas Tuchel there was a match anobedi Thomas Tuchel intino.
It's very important that we don't feel ashamed and we don't are too critic with ourselves. It is what it is, and if you have hard moments, you fight through the hard moments. We wanted to be a team that nobody likes to play against, and we are on a good way. And from there we try to improve.
Someone no run the Thomas Tuchel on here by Chelsea coach and so that they are to change out they feel normal they feel normal we pressure bia and so that nim game no normal na face victory etme call area ma Chelsea the Blues and then some Thomas Tuchel and so that they are to join Manchester United and so ole gonna so say say against Atlanta empire beju ole I say need answer uko lusu ani ko pamu ole ana victory baba.
Every team will go through a patchy period, and we're in one now. Poor form, we know that, and we hold our hands up, and we know we need to improve. I've seen a reaction from the players. Conceding 4 goals is a big eye opener for us. That we need to improve on different levels, on loads of details. There's pressure all the time. There's pressure on me, of course, and but we've been through this before, and we've come through it as stronger as individuals and as a team. So I'm just looking forward to the response now, and as you said, I'm in dialogue with the club all the time. So that's an open and honest discussion all.
MC Bape Krobia debi ole mani aka mantini also pressure also another day mami ti obi ole pressure no it is a
patchy period, and we're in one now, poor form, we know that, and we hold our hands up, and we know we need to improve. I've seen a reaction from the players. Conceding 4 goals is a big eye opener for us, that we need to improve on different levels, on loads of details. There's pressure all the time. There's pressure on me, of course, and but we've been through this before, and we've come through it as stronger as individuals and as a team. So I'm just looking forward to the response now, and as you said, I'm in dialogue with the club all the time. So that's an open and honest discussion all.
Hey, abana ja tumu chem se ne pressure ne de ano den de mo ono awura ne de e de Ole Gunnar Solskjaer enso no e wo Manchester United enso akachia enso sansem no yetumi area tujwa enye fidi ago yen kona fenso no yen fansem foforo enfanto so enfama modia onu se eno da na yesa Lionel Messi enso no tumi Portugal so etumi edema ye Paris Saint-Germain timi no na yesa no so no enye fidi ago na abrante sa go so no say no tienie Messi go so no say no mona we jam serious ade bia na Ronaldo tienie eno Messi bo go so no eno so etumi aboa obey ko Ronaldo record ono so no etumi aye o Champions League just say 38 different teams out Champions League mo omo so no etumi say onum say na Ronaldo ono no e ba Champions League watumi say teams no makoma 38 different teams and ono so etumi say sounds na Lionel Messi and so sa record obey ko ewe no ada abra omoso achi eye RB Leipzig ehye omo by 3-2 enti and so no efim eye Messi so no akache na ene statistics kakra aba and so na Champions League ni mo enie onu se ban most goals Champions League ni ma ene no Manchester City omo na etuma se most goals so UEFA Champions League ni ma so far omatumi 2020-21 season no omatumi ase 36 goals and so now Champions League ni mo Sanson Bayern Munich ase 35 goals after so Paris Saint-Germain 28 goals, Liverpool 26 goals, now Real Madrid and so no 26 goals and so no statistics kakra yes so no yetumi etujwa man Krobia yerbesi na fe so ya be fia be din nkomo ofie ene braba Ghana Premier League niama so no enkosara enkoyesa entino Morana afen so no yenhwena bibia so no enye kama ti Morano na yese yebeba nya be din nkomo enso no ewo fie Krobia Santi Atenase sanso na ne the right commentator ewo fie the boy enso no etimi Atenase na yahwena afen so no yetimi edi nkomo edin na Kwame Amponsadi onso betimi aframe AK na yese yetwa bibia short entino menda ne yawo yeba yere nkomo no be hwehwe so
Ona pramamu ore enejuma Yesu Kristu ore enejuma Ona pramamu ore enejuma Yesu Kristu ore enejuma O baba ngajuma no yogo na me ona se oje loja obeyama baba ngajuma no yogo na me ona se oje loja obeyama enu teme na me o bete
right intino yensa mrafie na yemedi nkomo ewa ha Krobia Santi Atenase